It's interesting how each one of these is a little bit different. It looks like they were all pretty much identical except for the taller service one originally. But for some reason in the one in the middle, and I guess that would be considered the main one or something, they updated the ceiling to be nicer, not tray. Interlock. Here's your tray lighting. And you're back there. I wonder what these were. That was a nice startup. That didn't sound good. Also, the panel on this one, it's a bit loose. The cab moves a little bit when the door opens up here. It's odd. This one has a floor like the service elevator. I do really like that tray lighting though. Very vintage. Very nice. Same PTL Centurion fixtures. Let's see if we can hear it go up from the outside. And not with that. We can watch the whole indicator. And the machine is down 4 anyway. This set here, our California code compliant PTL Performer, pretty much nothing else here is interesting. When I accidentally press that because it pressed very easily. But anyway, that is it.